Thank you for dropping by. Thank you. How is your day going? So, this is the question we have for today. We're solving trigonometry. So, it says a ladder 8-meter long rests with one end on horizontal ground at angle 75 degree to the ground and the other end against the vertical wall. Calculate correct to three significant figures the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. That's question one, the first question. The second one is calculate the height above the ground at which the upper end of the ladder rests against the wall. So first, let's draw out this so that we can know what we're solving. It says a ladder. A ladder. A ladder is always resting. It says a ladder of 8-meter long rests. So for it to rest, there's something is resting on, and that thing is resting on is standing this way. So the ladder is resting this way. So this is the ladder resting on the horizon. It says rest with one end on the horizontal, one end at the horizontal ground, and the other end against the vertical wall. This is the vertical wall. So we've just drawn it. This is the ladder, which is at 8 meter. So let's just call it A, B, C. The A, B, C. So this is the ladder resting on this horizontal line, and this is the base, vertical. And it says at an angle of 75 degree. So it's resting at 75 degree. So it's resting at 75 degree. So let's solve. It says we should calculate to the three significant figures. The distance of the foot of the ladder. Where is the foot of the ladder here? Because this is the ladder. The foot of the ladder. From the base of the wall. This is the base of the wall. So we're calculating to solve for this area. To solve for this area. And let's not forget our SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA, which says that. So now, first of all, this is the angle. Now, which line is facing the angle? This. That means this is the opposite. When you're solving for your SOHCAHTOA, sine means opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine means opposite over adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan means opposite over adjacent. So now, the opposite is always the line facing the angle. This is the angle. This line is the opposite. The longest is the hypotenuse, and the other one is the adjacent. So since we have this, and we're solving for this, which one is the best to use? We should use this hypotenuse, and this is adjacent. This is what we need, hypotenuse and adjacent. Hypotenuse and adjacent. So we should be using cos. So it should be cos 75 degree equal to adjacent, which is BC. BC over hypotenuse 8 meter. So now when we cross multiply, BC will stand on its own. BC will be equal to 8 meter times multiply your cos 75. Your 8 meter multiply your cos 75. So 8. I will show us how to get this, how to get cos 75. So this is how to get it. So this is how to get your cos 75. This is my logbook. So this is cosine of angle. We're looking for cosine of angle 75. So how do we get it? Trace it down, get to your 75. And then the first number is 0.2588. So this is our cos of angle for 75, 0.2588. Because it's 75. If it was cos of angle of 75.21, it would have been cos of angle of 75.21 would have been 275. You go under 2, and then you come under 1 in the difference. So we're just looking for cos of angle of 75, and this is 75. So 0.2588 is the angle. So now, this is it. So 0.2588 is what cos 75 is. So 8 times it. When 8, so our 8 times this will give us 2.0704. So this is, when you multiply it, you will have this. They say we should to the nearest 3 significant figure, meaning they just want 3 figures, 1 to 3. So it becomes 2.07. That is because this is 0. If this was 6 above 5, that would have made it 1, and then we'll add it, it becomes 0.8. But since this is less than 5, 0, so we just leave it at 2.07. This is a 3 significant figure. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please.